We're excited to be back out here today. It's going to be a great day of golf. We got 100 golfers that are going to be out here today.
Have a good time out here. Appreciate you coming out and supporting the organization. I've lived in my home for about 11 and a half years now. Not having a mortgage payment's made a huge difference. It allowed me to go back to school and in grad school and now run my own nonprofit. That never would have happened without all the support from Homespire troops.
Thank you. We could not complete our mission without you. Corporate partnership that Homespire is events like this fuel our mission. So from the bottom of my heart and the 63 other employees and the 341 veterans that are in homes, thank you for doing this.
We're really proud to announce that we've broken $30,000 to be able to donate to Homespire troops.